Mastering guitar techniques. Mute the strings. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of music vocabulary, particularly focusing on a common guitar technique known as mute the strings. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about this expression, this video will clarify its meaning and usage. So, let's get started and strum our way through the lesson. When someone says mute the strings, they refer to a guitar technique where the player lightly touches the strings with their hand to stop them from vibrating and producing sound. This technique is often used to create a percussive or softer sound in music. It's an essential skill for guitar players across various music genres, from rock to classical. Muting serves several purposes in music. It can provide a rhythmic element by creating a choppy, percussive sound. This technique is also used to make certain notes or chords stand out by silencing others, adding dynamics and texture to the music. It's a way for guitarists to express themselves and add their unique touch to a piece. To mute the strings, a guitarist typically uses the palm of their strumming hand. Here's a simple guide. 1. Rest the side of your hand lightly on the strings near the bridge. 2. Strum the strings with your pick or fingers. 3. Adjust the pressure of your hand to find the right amount of muting. Too light, and the strings will still ring. Too heavy, and you won't hear the strings at all. Practicing is crucial. Start slowly, focusing on the pressure and timing of your muting hand. Gradually, integrate this technique into different songs or chord progressions. Remember, like any musical skill, muting requires patience and practice to master. Thank you for watching. Today, we've explored the technique of muting the strings on a guitar, understanding its purpose, and how it's executed. Whether you're a music student or simply fascinated by guitar techniques, we hope this video has been insightful. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add your personal touch to the music you play. Until our next lesson, keep learning and enjoying the beautiful language of music.